These are all the spare parts in the package, includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. The first step is to assemble the handlebar. Turn the forks straight. Pick up the handlebar, loosen the handle screws, and remove the protective sleeve. The handler bar can now be inserted into the head tube beyond the minimum safety line, and the nut tightened. Cover the screws with rubber protective caps. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the fork protection lever and loosen the line on the brake. Remove the nuts, spacers, and retaining washers on both sides of the front wheel. Install the front wheel into the fork. Then you can drop the kickstand. After installing the retaining washers, tighten the screws. Unscrew the fender mounting screws on the frame. And screw the fender and headlight bracket to the frame. Screw the fender support to the frame. After adjusting the angle of the headlight bracket, attach the headlight. Finally, reclamp the brake line. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled, R is the right pedal and L is the left. Insert the pedals into the cranks and screw them in, then tighten with a wrench. Right footrest tighten clockwise, left footrest tighten counterclockwise. Step 4. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat tube clamp and tighten it after inserting the saddle tube into the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. Step 5. Assemble the rear carrier. Unscrew the fenders on the frame, rear carrier mounting screws. Secure the fender supports on both sides with screws. Start by simply fixing the 4 support bars of the rear carrier. After adjusting the position, tighten the fixing screws of the rear carrier support bars. Step 5. Assemble other accessories. Attach the white reflector to the handlebar. The bell is mounted on the handlebar. Red reflector mounted on saddle tube. This is the end of the installation. If you still have questions, please contact us.